how to import swatches from CSS Hex Code on photopia.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So first we need to say that importing CSS Hex Codes directly into swatches in Photopia is not yet supported by Photopia. But what is supported is importing swatches from ACO files. What is an ACO file? An ACO file is the file extension used by Photoshop to save swatches. So the go around that we're going to do today is going to Photoshop, then importing the CSS hex code into the swatch, then exporting the swatch into an ACO file, and then importing it. So let's go directly to Photoshop and open any random project or any new project. Go to swatches from here on the right. Here's the swatches panel, and click on the dashed lines here for the menu. Here is the swatch menu. As you can see, here is import swatches. We're gonna now import our hex codes from the CSS files. Let's do it. And here is our CSS files, and here it's imported. Now we're gonna go again to the swatches menu from here and click export selected swatches. As you can see, it's now being saved as an ACO file. Click on save, and now let's go to Photopia. Now on Photopia, go to swatches, switch from history to swatches, then click on this arrow and then click on load ACO. Go to the folder where you saved the ACO and choose the ACO files and click open. Click on OK. As you can see, it's just asking if you want it to be loaded the next time. Click on OK, and here's the swatches added. It was very simple and very easy, don't worry. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.